Okay, in this video we will see the Ubuntu Studio 23.10 first look. See the version in system setting using KDE Plasma version 5.27.8 as you see in screen. Okay, first we run the uname command using kernel 6.5.0-14, then run free command to see the memories used, then run df command to see the storage used, then run neofetch command to see the DE using Plasma 5.27.8 WMP bin. Okay, extract command to see the CPU memory swap, processes uptime, and then retry other menus. Check the apt whether exists or not, and then apt exists and flatpak not exists. At the discover software, version, you see the version discover 5.27.8 an application explorer. See the install at the detail of PLC. You can see here in discover. Then we try to install Brownie as IDE, Python IDE. Click install and then enter the password. Okay, let them run install. We try other command. System monitor. As you can see, you can see the version 5.27.x system monitor, and then the laptop. You can see the details, the application, the history of CPU, memory and network, and the processes list. And then see the Dolphin version file manager version 23.08.1. and then run git and see the version of it version 23.08.1. text editor, run the Firefox and then see the version of Firefox. version 1 to 1.0 64-bit Firefox browser from Snap. See the audio production menus. A lot of tools to produce music or process sound here. Then run the Audacity to for process sound. See the version of Audacity, version 3.3.3. Then other menus. Run the Blender app, version 3.6.2 Blender. And then run GIMP, version 2.10.34 GNU menu version program image. Then see the twin view photo manager, version 23.08.1. Then see the Inkscape and see the version 1.3 1.2 Inkscape. Sorry. Run Krita, version 5.1.5. Then see the video protection menus. Run KDE Live. See the version of KDE Live 23.08.1 version. Then run the Ubuntu Studio, version 29.1.3.1-2 for the 64-bit. Then in development menus we run Git, version 23.08.1. We run PLC Media Player, version 3.0.19.18 Veterinary. Then run the LibreOffice Writer and see the version 7.6.4.1 LibreOffice Community Writer. hide the outer menus. KDE Partition Manager, enter the password first and then see the version of KDE Partition Manager 23.08.1 version. And then run the outer menus. Menu editor, you can setting the menu here. See the version of menu editor 5.27.8 KDE menu editor. Start up this creator. You can see USB stick to boot thing to PC. And then run the keyword and then see the version 23.08.1 keyword. Okay, then spectacle screenshot. See the version 23.08.1 spectacle screenshot tools. I think it's enough now. See you in the next video and thanks for watching. Bye in the next video.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.